So why MetaEarth? Patrick saw families losing homes during financial crisis, while executives would just walk away. He also saw billions of people that couldn't even open a bank account, as well as our planet suffering from pollution and climate change. I think that technology is booming, that's a fact, right? But often fairness isn't. I think wealth is growing, but on the other side, happiness isn't. But you know what? Blockchain can actually solve all of this. Nice. Because Web3 is way more than speculation, is way more than just moving money. It's about solving real issues. And MetaEarth is building a new infrastructure that is fair, transparent, sustainable, and that have a tokenomic featuring UBI. Tech has advanced our life, right? There's no doubt. But think about it. Has it truly improved our well-being? Or has it healed our planet? Is it a tool of control, or is a force for fairness and sustainability? Because us at MetaEarth, we choose the fairness and the sustainability, of course. We are here to make tech serve the people and the planet.